Welcome to Rayne Riverstone Creations. Today's tutorial is my pony. It consists of over 330 some bands. That does not include the hair. So be sure you have enough and be sure your bands are nice and fresh, because if they stretch too far, they can break. And making this pony, you do not want them to break, because you will have to start all over again. Also, this pattern is a very extremely advanced pattern. So if you are a beginner, welcome. Have fun trying to make it. I do recommend you practice making other things before taking this on. But if you think you're ready, awesome. Let's get started. We're going to be making the hair. That's step one. You will need 2 looms, your regular hook, 4 little helping hooks. Be sure that they are sturdy. No toothpicks. They will not hold it. It will not work with toothpicks. So be sure you have small, sturdy something to hold it. Okay, so we're going to do bands across the top, single bands. This is my top here. I'm making the mane on this side and the tail here. And as usual, I will be doing my rainbow scheme. Countdown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then start again here for the bottom, the other part of the tail. I shouldn't say the bottom part of the tail. It's the other part of your tail, not the bottom. It's like right next to it. So, anyways, okay, moving on. Orange is next color. And yellow. And I forgot about the part down there. And yes, I will be showing you how to do every single part of this pony. And I've seen a few videos where they make one thing and then they say, you know, pause the video and make your own, or rewind it and watch it again. I am not a fan of doing that. I like to actually show you guys how something is done. I am a perfectionist, so I like things to be perfect, and that is why it took so long to get this video out. I needed my pony to be perfect. I also like accuracy, so yeah, I like it to be accurate. Okay, now, after you've laid 4 different ones, or all the same, doesn't matter, you're gonna grab your, let me see, let me try to remember, oh my gosh. Okay, I think we do 1 more, 4, 5, and then, yeah, okay, yes. Sorry for the delay. It is 1 more, and then we do something different. Sorry. Okay. So 1 more color. Okay. Now, take your hook. Take your color that's coming after here. So I will put purple here and then another pink will go on. So grab your pink band or whatever color you want to be after that. Make a cap band. Put it on your very next color. come on, we're going to repeat that process like 8 more times. So grab your band, make a cap, put it on. So how's your day? Mine's been okay. It's summertime for me right now, so we're outside getting sprayed with the hose. It's pretty fun. Kids liked it. This is also the time of when everyone is being quarantined and don't really want you outside. You have to wear a mask everywhere you go. Usually, sometimes I would have music playing, or maybe the TV in the background or something. Just some kind of sound of background noise. But I left my music downstairs, and I do not have a TV in my room. Well, I do have a TV in my room, but it's not connected to cable or anything. It's just kind of there. Okay, so for the second part of the tail, you're going to put your hook back on there, right? And we're going to put it on the bottom parts of the pegs here like this. So you got you a little nubby right there. So we just put that on there, on the hook, peg. You know what I mean, right? Cap band on the last band. Do remember that if you do need to pause it or fast forward, you can do that. Some people just kind of watch and forget. I know I do sometimes when I'm watching other tutorials. Okay, so next we need to put on our other cap bands for the mane. So we're going to grab our same color. We're going to double it. Put that across. Make you a little triangle here. Use your next color. Double it. Make a triangle. These are your triangle caps. So all these are doubled. And they will go all the way down. Well, not all the way down, but down to here. So, for your mane, your hair, this is what you have. All the triangles are single, double. Okay. For your tail, got your little nubs down here. All those are single. Okay. Now you're ready to loom. So loom as usual. I'm going to start with the mane. I like putting my thumb here so it holds the little thing down there. And I like to loom all of them so I don't have to worry about it again. And then loom as usual. Loom it up. Do make sure you get every single one, because if you are familiar, if you miss one and try and take it off, it will fall apart. So make sure you get them all. Making teardrops, they say, as we go. Or raindrops, raindrops. Let me say raindrops. Make your little raindrops. Okay. There's the hair. I'm going to start at the very bottom and work my way up if I can get in there. So I'm going to use my thumb to hold that down. There we go. Next row or aisle. And it came off. Get back on there. That's okay. It's coming off anyway. I mean, you know, fairly quickly. Okay. Once you get your hair and tail done, the rest is all about your wings and unicorn, if you should want to do those. And then your legs for your pony, and then the body. So everything kind of, there's a lot of, what's that word? Taking off and putting back on. But once you're done, you end up with this cute little pony. Cute and little and fun to play with, my kids could tell you. Alrighty, for the tail, we're going to take your hook and take off all those things up at the top. Just yoink them right off like that. Pretty simple, right? Get them all on that hook. So you have all of this on your hook. So what you want to do is grab your body color. Let me check my pony. Let's see. What's the body color here? Orange. Body color is orange. Grab orange. What you want to do, grab a single, put it on your hook, double it, and then put all those on that band. And then take this loom and put it on the peg to just chill out for now. Looks like a firework. Woo! Okay. Alright, as for this one, we're going to put your hook in, take it off the peg, get the next one, and the next one, pull that off, get a helping hook. So if you know how to knit, kind of like knitting right there, make sure they're all through before you take your hook out. So you should have this for your mane, and put that aside. I mean, you could put your tail on this as well so it's not in the way. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's put it on there. Actually, just want to point out, this band is not your body color. The next band is. Which, I should put on there. Let's see, check the pony. It looks like it's still orange. That's cool. Alright. So, orange band. So when we do put it aside, same thing, single double. We usually would just have it chill on the loom like this. So, or you can have it on your helping hook for now, but the best place for it is on your other loom. Okay, now the hair is done. Let's move on.